Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Zion with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive a 2017 Hyster, stock number 2622. Excellent operating H60FT with low hours. It's a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. Zion's going to give us a quick demonstration. Very tight and nimble for a 6,000 pound. This unit is equipped with the 189-inch triple stage mast. Has LED light package, full suspension seat. This unit does have side shift and fork positioner. Very nice feature. There's the side shift. It's 42-inch pallet forks. It's a load backrest. Let's take it up to that 189. Has solid pneumatic tires. Run them in dirt, gravel, nails, glass, whatever, never get flat. Smooth running LP gas engine, automatic transmission. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or in Torrington, Wyoming. We appreciate you very much for watching.